Hello, I'm Ed Dulzer with the Process Technology Technical Support Team. I'm here to show you how to install a pneumatic bypass trickle flow valve on a Lufran water heater in the field. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use a 2-column Lufran heater. If you have a 4-column Lufran heater or have multiple outlets or multiple valves to install, your procedure is going to be the same. Essentially, what we're going to be doing, looking at the outlet plumbing here, is we're going to be replacing this elbow fitting with your pneumatic bypass trickle flow valve. Now, the first steps you'll need to perform is to shut off your unit and drain the water out of the system at least down below the fittings which you're going to be disconnecting. So for the next step, once the water's been drained out of the system, we're going to loosen and remove this fitting right here and this fitting right here. These are flared tube fittings. They are only hand tight, so when you remove the nut, this one will slide down like that. We're going to do the same thing up here to this fitting. This one, of course, won't slide down. If your bypass valve was provided with a short piece of tubing at each end, then leave them on the valve. These pieces of tubing are provided to keep the proper spacing and alignment between the bypass valve and the piping inside the Lufran heater. Instead of disconnecting the connection at the elbow fitting as I demonstrated, you should instead disconnect the 2 connection fittings further away from the elbow fitting shown here, and then remove the elbow fitting with those short pieces of tubing still attached. Now that that's free, the next step is to remove the elbow fitting. For this, I'm going to use 2 hands. One of the first steps to help you is to release this gray clamp right here, which is holding your outlet piping. That'll make it easier to attach your pneumatic bypass trickle flow valve. To disconnect this, all you need to do is apply a screwdriver and pop it loose. That's all there is to it. Then we'll proceed to disconnecting the plumbing. Now that the nuts have been removed, it's as simple as grabbing your elbow, twisting it to release, and then of course twisting to release from the top plumbing as well. Here is the pneumatic bypass trickle flow valve. You can see it has the inlet connection facing downwards and the outlet connection facing to the right. All we need to do is now install this into the position where we just removed the elbow. Right here. Simply push the fitting onto your flared tubing and re-engage the flare nut. This only needs to be hand tight. Now we'll connect the outlet connection here. After your pneumatic valve is in position, you can reattach the support clip right here by squeezing it together. Simply remove the orange end cap from the tubing, and then you can connect your tubing to the compression fitting right here. And that's how you install a pneumatic bypass valve on a Lufran water heater. Thank you.